My girl, she got a gun in her hand, and she keeps one in her man. Baby girl, I know what I did. You ain't gotta run the amount, so run the amount. Baby, I say run the amount. Let me know how you really feel. So run the amount. You know I got a special spot to help you remember me.
What's up everyone, how you guys doing? You're welcome to my channel. Today's video is how I got this look right here. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching the video. But before I leave, if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. Before you leave, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you like, share this video. And if you're a returning, come on, welcome to the family. Hey, I see you. I'm too hard today, I don't know why. Okay, let me start. Alright, so we're going to start with the brows, and I'm using this Kiss Me Up Professional in the shade Deep Dark Brown. So I'm just going in with the Lip Pro Concealer, and I'm just putting it all over my lid. Going in with this blending brush right here, and I'm just going to blend that right. So after blending that in, you want to go in with a powder. I'm using this Sacha Buttercup powder right here, and you want to just pat that in. I'm going into the Juvias Magic Palette with a blending brush. I'm going to use a big fluffy brush. From a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into this color right here, this orange color called Zakia. Put that right into my crease. So I'm just blending the color in. Before I go ahead, actually, I like to do the step before I start with my eyeshadow, but I always forget it sometimes. But I'm just going in with a very small brush from Morphe into my MAC Gold Deposit, and I'm just highlighting my brow bone. Okay, I know I look scary, but I'm just trying to like avoid when I go to put the glitter in. I'm trying to avoid any dropout. So going back in with the same Zakia shade from the Magic Palette, the Nubian Place. We're just blending that orange in a circular motion like so. And then now we're gonna go into this palette now. The Nubian 2 palettes with a different brush, and we're going into the Kenya shade in that color. Actually, no. We're going into the Jezebel shade, which is like a burgundy shade in a circular. And then after that, we're gonna go into, with a different blending brush again, I'm gonna go into the Kenya shade just to darken the crease. And I'm gonna go in back with the Jezebel shade just to seal it all in. Go in with the brown brush, and we're going into Zakia again with a blending brush, not a brown brush. So Zakia, we're just using that to like blend in the colors and pop that in, so you can see how it looks now. Going in with a Jezebel shade, and just because I really want that burgundy shade to pop out more when I go to cut the crease so it can show. So I'm just going in. Okay, so I think I'm good with that right now. So what we're going to do next is we're going to use our flat brush from Cardi Cosmetics, and I'm going in with the same concealer, Ale Pro Concealer in Fawn, to cut the crease. So now when you want to cut the crease, you have to be very careful because this can be very, very like This can make or break your look. So what I like to do is I like to start from the bottom part here, and I slowly work myself my way in. Don't start from like, if you go higher, you won't be able to correct the mistakes. So this is what I do. I have hooded lids, and when you have hooded lids, when you open your eyes, you can't see the shadow, right? But I like to overdraw it, so even if I open my eyes and close my eyes, you can still see the shadow. And now that this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and wait for it to dry a little bit. And I'm going in with a packing brush from I think it was AliExpress. I bought this brush from. And the shade I'm going in is Zumba from the Magic palette from Juvias Place. Oh, this shade is absolutely gorgeous. It is beautiful. So now that is in, I want to go back into the Nubian 2 palettes with a flat brush, and this flat brush is from Morphe, and I want to go into the shade Kenya just to darken the crease that I cut. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and apply the glitter to it. Hence the reason why I have the shield. So the glitter I'm using today is, what glitter? Is this glitter right here, this color. This one right here, I don't know if you can see it. This one. Let me open it. Just that color. Ooh. It's about to be popping. So I'm using a glitter primer from NYX Cosmetics. This gel liner by Maybelline Cosmetics in Blackest Black. This liner is not looking like he wants to be friends with me today. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that gel liner, the liquid liner that I've been running from. So this one is by NYX Cosmetics. I'm gonna go ahead and do my skin first, and this part I'm just gonna rush through it. I'm not gonna like say lots about it because this video was mainly about the eyes. Okay, so now this is setting. We're gonna go ahead and do our contouring, and I'm using my very dirty Morphe palettes. I'm using this shade right here for my actually for my contouring. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this powder right here. So my Kiss, I think it's Ruby Kiss's Never Touch Up powder. And I'm just going to pat that in. Alright, so now that that's done, what I'm going to go to do next is to do my under eye. And for my under eye today, I'm going in with the Jezebel shade from the Nubian 2 palette. So also, we're going into our waterline with the Maybelline waterliner. Maybelline Eye Studio eyeliner. So I'm going in with a blending brush, and I'm just blending in the Jezebel shade to the bottom and smoking out the black liner that I put underneath. So now I'm just going in with a mascara to go on the, in my bottom lashes. And also to blend the my real lashes and the falsies together. Alright. So my battery died before, and you know, I only have one battery. I need to buy a new battery so that way I can save myself the hassle of having to like wait for my battery to get charged before I can continue. I'm just going back in with the Ruby Kisses Never Touch Up powder just to touch up a little bit. Already. Now that that's done, I like to go in with my Boscia setting spray. Where did it go? So now the next thing we're going to do now is we're going into the lip, and today's lip product I'm using is from Milani. Okay, so I'm using this color called Devotion from Milani. It's like the Amor, what's it called? Amor Matte. So if I'm looking here, it's because I have a mirror right here, that's why. And now I'm going in with Madly in Love. If you're not about the like bright lip colors, you can go ahead with the nude. I like my highlighter to be like popping, but because of I think the spray always like mats it down a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more highlighter to my already existing highlighter, because you know we need to blind some people out there today. Like, luckily I have somewhere to go, because if not, all this would just be for waste. Can you imagine? But then where I'm going to, this is a little bit too much, but I'm still gonna take it like that. Take it or leave it. And this is the end of the video for me today, guys. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching this video. God bless you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just gonna stay here and take some more selfies because you know I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Hey. Have a good one, guys. Bye.